In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix packet loss in Discord voice chat. If you've ever been in a call where people sound robotic, cut in and out, or your friends say you're lagging even though your game is fine, that's usually packet loss. It means tiny pieces of your voice data aren't reaching Discord's servers smoothly, and the result is choppy audio. First, let's quickly understand what might be causing this. Packet loss is usually related to your internet connection, not Discord itself. It can come from Wi-Fi interference, overloaded networks, bad routing to the Discord server, or even temporary issues with your internet provider. Our goal in this video is to go through practical checks and changes you can do right now, inside Discord and on your network, to make your calls much more stable. Start by checking the basics on your connection. If you're on Wi-Fi, try moving closer to the router. Or, even better, plug in an Ethernet cable. A wired connection can dramatically reduce packet loss and latency. Also, make sure no one else on your network is maxing out the internet with big downloads or 4K streaming while you're on a call, because that can starve your voice traffic of bandwidth. Next, open Discord and join a voice channel. Look near your username at the bottom left, or at the top of the voice channel, for the connection indicator. If you hover over it, Discord will show stats like ping and packet loss. This helps confirm if the issue is really packet loss and not just someone's microphone or an audio device problem. Now let's optimize Discord's own settings. Go to User Settings, then Voice and Video. Make sure you've selected the correct input and output devices. Scroll down to the Quality of Service section and disable the option that lets Discord prioritize your packets. On some networks and routers, this setting can actually cause more issues instead of helping. While you're in voice and video, try changing the audio subsystem from standard to legacy, or vice versa, and then restart Discord. Certain audio drivers or setups behave better with one or the other. You can also turn off features like echo cancellation, noise suppression, and automatic gain control temporarily to see if they're adding extra processing that your system or network struggles with. If your packet loss only happens on certain servers, try switching to a different voice region. In a server where you have permission, click the voice channel settings and choose another region that's geographically closer to you or your group. Better routing to that region can reduce both ping and packet loss. Finally, if nothing seems to help, restart your router and modem, then test again. If packet loss shows up in other apps too, you may need to contact your internet provider and share what you're seeing in Discord's connection info so they can check for line or routing issues. By walking through these checks and adjustments, you should be able to significantly reduce or completely fix packet loss in your Discord voice chats.